Good morning. Welcome to MES Innovatives. We bring you the latest update on petrol prices in Bengaluru, which have recently seen significant changes. The petrol price in Bengaluru stands at rupees 102.86 per litre. This marks a noticeable increase from earlier this month when the price was rupees 99.84 per litre. This change reflects a 2.94% rise in petrol prices over the past few weeks. Petrol prices in Bengaluru started in the month of June at rupees 99.84 per litre. Despite remaining steady for some time, prices began to climb, reaching their highest point so far this month at rupees 102.86 per litre on June 20th. This increase is part of a broader trend influenced by various factors. The recent rise in petrol prices has had a significant impact on daily commuters and businesses in Bengaluru. Increased petrol prices lead to higher transportation costs, affecting the prices of goods and services across the city. Residents who rely on personal vehicles or taxis for commuting face higher expenses, reducing disposable income. Evaluated fuel costs can contribute innovationary pressures impacting the overall cost of living for everyone in Bengaluru. Businesses depend on the transportation may rise prices or reduce services due to increased operating costs, potentially affecting employment and economic activities. Higher fuel prices might prompt more people to use public transportation, increasing demand and potentially affecting service quality and fares. There might be a push towards more fuel efficient vehicles or alternative modes of transport driven by economic considerations and environmental concerns. The hike in petrol prices has raised our operational cost, focusing on the increase in our daily delivery charges. This in turn has affected our customer based negativity. The increase in petrol prices is largely driven by rising global crude oil prices and currency exchange rate fluctuations. As India imports a significant portion of its oil, any increase in international prices directly affects domestic prices. The government is aware of the burden these rising prices place on the public and is considering various measures to provide relief. As petrol prices in Bengaluru reach rupees 99 reach, as petrol prices in Bengaluru reach rupees 102.86 per litre, residents and businesses are adapting to the increased cost. The situation remains dynamic and we will keep you updated with the latest developments. Thank you for tuning in to MES Innovatives.